Good day, my name is Shaimerden Chikanayev. I am a Kazakh advocate and partner of GRATA law firm, GRATA International in Kazakhstan, banking and finance team.
How important are joint events with international partners for the development of legal practice and business?
Surely this is a very important aspect of our work, our business, particularly for myself as a team leader of our banking and finance practice, because it helps, first of all, to strengthen internal cooperation within our firm, within our offices. Secondly, it's important for strengthening the cooperation with our clients and with our partners in global law firms.
What opportunities do these initiatives create for the firm and its clients?
First of all, let me briefly summarize what kind of initiatives we are talking about, and secondly, I will tell you how it helps to us and individually and as a whole to the firm and your particular office. In practice, what we do, for example, I will talk about myself and my team. As a head of banking and finance team in Kazakhstan, we regularly do so-called roadshows. We visit such important financial centers together with our colleagues from all over Central Asia, Mongolia and Caucasus, in such cities as London, Moscow, Beijing, Shanghai and Hong Kong, and where we meet with our clients and where we meet with our partners from global law firms. Secondly, what kind of events we're talking about is, for example, joint seminars and webinars. It's also a very useful tool in terms of promoting ourselves and our firm when we cover certain subjects, for example, infrastructure or PPPs or energy. And the third type of joint events we regularly do is joint publications and articles in different magazines, etc. So that's in terms of what we do. How it helps and how it can help you. If you are, for example, in office, you have your own little firm and you want to develop, you want to grow, and how GRATA can be of use for you. First of all, for example, this kind of joint efforts, again, I want to stress this is joint effort. It's not like somebody will organize it for you. We as partners from different countries of GRATA, we basically join our efforts to do something together. For example, if we are talking about joint effort of doing a roadshow or joint seminar, it means each partner will contribute something, and first of all, definitely it will help internal cooperation with our firm. Because when we do this joint effort, for example, partners from Mongolia, from Central Asia's countries and from Caucasus, we have to prepare. So for example, if we do a joint seminar, we have to sit together and develop together what kind of program of this seminar will be and what kind of issues we shall cover and share knowledge internally. So again, this shall help, first of all, internal cooperation. Secondly, it's no-brainer that such kind of joint events help cross-selling, not only internal, but cooperation with our clients and with our partners. For example, as I mentioned before, just an example, we did seminar in China, we did such kind of seminars for our clients in London. So when we come together, it's much easier to sell ourselves together. Market, for example, of Kazakhstan per se is small. We are talking about 20 million country with vast natural resources, but still it's small on its own. When we are talking about the firm which represents the region, Central Asia plus Caucasus plus Mongolia, it's much more interesting for our clients and for our partners from global law firms to accept our offer to meet with them and to do something together, because we are talking about market which is much bigger and much more interesting both for clients and for partners from law firms. So internal cooperation with our clients, sharing of knowledge and cross-selling, that's are benefits which are very helpful and which can be brought together by this kind of joint efforts.
What role do marketing and organizational support play in the successful preparation and delivery of such projects?
Our marketing department, and we have specialized team which helps us to organize such kind of events. So whenever I, for example, write something about certain interesting topic for my clients, marketing department will make sure that it is distributed, it is basically published in as many as possible sources and publicly available websites, social media, etc. If we're talking about joint events like seminars or road shows, they shall cover all administrative questions, which of course is very helpful in this busy time. Ladies and gentlemen, whoever watches this video, I strongly recommend you to consider at least to join our firm. It will help you. I mean, it's not for everyone. It depends who you are, what you do, and what kind of future you see for yourself and for your firm. But if you are looking for a firm who can provide you a network of people who are looking to do business together and who are ready to cooperate and who have a so-called symbiosis, right? We have, again, desire and readiness to help and to work with each other. I think you shall consider seriously GRATA law firm, because GRATA law firm is uniquely positioned regional law firm. We have strong offices in all post-Soviet jurisdictions, and the cross-selling we have can potentially benefit you and bring you more new clients and more new projects. So please join us.